This is the newly completed Ifite overpass bridge. Since the completion of this particular flyover, I have been unable to visit this location, but today we are finally there, and we have seen everything by ourselves. So join us, guys. Let's give you a full tour of the place. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back again in Awka, the capital of Anambra state, to show you the latest update of this particular project, the Ifite overpass bridge. It is a newly completed flyover in Awka currently. So this is the view of the flyover when you are coming from Aroma axis, and if I turn around from this side, this is the side you are currently watching. This one is when you are coming from the old government house. The other side is when you are coming from the Aroma axis, and this is what is currently looking like. So from here we're gonna head to the top to go and show you the looks of the top and other things you need to see about the flyover. I have some comments to make about this particular flyover when we get to the top. I have some comments, and you are free to also give us your own take concerning everything you see on this particular video. So this is on top of the flyover, not inside it, just on top of it. All these things were preventive measures, to be able to a kind of make the place to look more beautiful, and also prevent some kind of erosions that are happening around this particular place. So you can see how they put it. So this particular route will take you back to the Aroma flyover, and when I turn around like this, we are heading right inside the flyover, and I'll also show you the one taking you to Ifite axis and what is currently looking like. So over here, this road was re-asphalted, but not completely re-asphalted. They take it down to somewhere and stop. The same thing on the other axis. So from looks of everything, when I arrive here, I can tell you it is looking more beautiful than what we used to have here before. So this is the road that will take you down to Ifite, Awka. Ifite, down to first market, second market, and the Unizik school also. So from here we are heading inside the flyover. So this is the looks of the flyover currently. The flyover comes with a walkway on the both sides of the road. So this is the view when you're on top of the flyover. That is the view of the Aroma Aroma flyover side. So like I said earlier, it comes with walkways on the both sides of the road, but all I can say is that from the initial stage when this work started, I already know that the road is very tiny. It's very tiny. It can only contain, I think, two cars. Two cars, not for just two cars, not for, I don't think it will contain two big motors, but for two cars it will comfortably contain two cars. So this is the looks of everything currently, and as usual, we have what we used to have on every other road in our state. So, and that thing is the sand that we used to find in every newly completed road. Any little thing, sand will fill up everywhere. So this is the looks of everything currently around this area. So kindly give us your own comment via the comment section. What do you think about the flyover? So I'm just going up again to go and show you the view from the up. The view of the view from the up when you are coming from the from the old government house. So that is where what I'm going now to go and do, to show you the view, what it looks like from the up. So from there, when I come down, I will take you guys to all the adjoining roads, and what you also see when we visited. So this is the view actually when you are coming from the old government house. This is the view. You understand? So this is the adjoining road. These are the direct link road to the overpass bridge. So this is the current looks sands are still everywhere on the road. The drainage system is quite okay. And from here, we get to the roundabout, then take our left to go and show you other axes. So guys, if you check around this place, I think it deserves a roundabout. But my major problem with the area is that it's very tiny. So any roundabout that it will come to, it's supposed to be very very tiny. But I think it deserves roundabout. For me, it deserves roundabout. So this angle is actually when you are coming from the bridge and you want to head down straight to the Agwoka route, you know, the road that will lead you to Agwoka, which is they call the 6th Avenue. That's the road I just showed you. It was not completely re-asphalted. They get to that point which I showed you earlier and they stopped. So they did not re-asphalt the entire road. So right now we are heading towards the left hand side. Once we are coming from the bridge, we take our left. So this route will also take you back to the Awka Enugu express route. So I think that route was created maybe for those who are coming from the overpass bridge axis and want to take their right, maybe heading towards also Agwoka or heading towards Amini or every other was 6th Avenue, every other places within this area, you know. Maybe that's why they created that route too. So that is where we are currently heading to, and this is what the drainage system is currently looking like. Actually, the drainage system is quite okay, but it's not a covered drainage system. You know, it's an open drainage system like you can see on the video. So, and we still have our usual thing over here. You can see how sand are covering everywhere. So, and to me, one major problem with this sand covering the road, I think, is one of the things that contributes to the spoiling of some of our roads. It contributes to it. I think this thing should be made a kind of duty to start sweeping our road. Is very very necessary, especially those newly completed roads. Let's start sweeping them. It is very very important for me. That is my own little contribution I want to make concerning this road, because this thing is becoming too much. Almost every road within our state has sand on top of it, except few which I visited somewhere like Awka Road and Shoprite, the one that will take you to the GRA in Onitsha. Those ones are not, they are somehow clean. Not, you can't find sand on them like this. And another place that is as clean as as clean as good is around that newly completed government house around the Alex Ekweme Square axis, and those newly completed government house. Those are the major roads I think are very neat and also free from sand within Anambra state. For now, the ones I've visited, that's what I'm just mentioning. There may be another ones, but I'm yet to know. For now, these two I just mentioned are the ones I've visited and the ones I'm aware of. So you watch through the video and see what the road is currently looking like. I don't think is more than 1 month, or let's just say approximately 1 month since the overpass bridge, including the adjoining road, was opened up for motorists. So this is the looks of everything. Watch the video complete from beginning to end. So you can kindly give us your own take via our comment section. And as you are watching, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified each time we publish any of your favorite videos. And also don't forget to share. Sharing is very important to get to more widened audience. So if you're a new subscriber or a newcomer to our channel, thank you for coming. We do most of the time covering of government projects, and also do travel vlogs around here, and kind of show you some beautiful destinations where you can visit and the rest. So, and if you're an old subscriber, we welcome you also. We always thank you guys for always supporting us. It's not easy for you guys to always coming back, consuming your data and watching our video. We really appreciate you guys. So it's never an easy thing. So within a short time, we get to the to the express side. So this is the looks of everything. Honestly, I can tell you the sun is making just this newly completed road to be looking like old one. But this thing is newly completed road. So if from here you can see the express, very soon we're gonna get to that express road and also show you the view. So one thing I would also like to chip in here is that people living around here should avoid dumping refuse inside the drainage system. They should avoid it entirely. Let's just be keep suffering from the sand that we keep entering there, but for the other refuse, please, let's just not do that for now, so we don't block the drainage system. And the next thing, the whole thing we mixed up. So that is just my little advice and my little contribution to those living around this place. So this is the Awka Enugu Express route. This one, by my right hand side, we take you to the old government house, and if I turn around, that one will take you back to the Ifite overpass bridge, and you can even see the view of the Ifite overpass bridge from here. That is the Ifite overpass bridge over there. So thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day, and we meet again in our next video.